Arloopa app, Augmented Reality for easy understanding. Dear friends, today we are going to see a new app that is called as Arloopa. So for that, go to Play Store and you can type Arloopa. Arloopa. So I have already installed. So it comes like this, first one, okay? So this is Arloopa. The moment you open, you get this interface. So here you can get best of week, animals, education, art and museums, entertainment, dinosaur, then masks, NFT, then join the cause, cultural heritage and history, virtual tours, characters, games, the matrix, science and technology, human, fashion, cars and vehicles, weapons, military, architectural, industrial, furniture and home, share love, holidays, food, nature, my models. Okay, like this. Why I read this deliberately so that you'll understand. So this is only the titles. So you have plenty of other things inside. For example, so children like mainly animals. Okay, so when you go to animals, inside animal, plenty of things are there. For example, if we tell in short, we have plenty of things. For example, 8th standard nose jewel, we can see birds. So birds. So imagine this bird I take. In that, some birds are, it means some things are pro. It means we have to take. For example, this is, yeah. So this is what? This is the wall. So the bird which is here. Okay. Yeah. So now if you want to shake, move, so you go, can do another one bird means, so this is another bird, one round will come. So here's our duck. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. You can zoom if you want. He'll walk and yes, he's now sitting. Go back, man. Go back, go back, go back. Yeah, you can zoom, you can make him. And if you want to take photo, no, touch the center part and this is photo. Now as if he is sitting on my bed. Now the same thing if you want, and save means right hand side corner, save. Okay, same thing if you want to take him, video means you can take center part touch, video. Yeah, walk, 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 chellam, tangam, walk, 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 mummy, mummy, mummy. Okay, then, yes, stop. And, save. Yeah, this is the way we can record. Fine. Alright, then go back means left hand corner, back. Alright. So, this is for a nose jewel, bird, maybe for Jim Corbett, tiger we'll see. Okay. So, what we do? Here we can tiger. So go back. Animals. Where are you? Okay, animals. So you can search also. Search button, lens. You can type tiger. Tiger. Tick. Tiger. One round it will come. 85, 89, 100. Come. Okay. Hello, unity. Come. Okay, you can zoom. You can rotate. Turn that side. Paathu, mummy pavam. Okay. So, paathudo, bayambara, Jim Corbett ani. Champava tiger. Udavangara. Just press the center part and photo means photo. Click. Save it. Then if you want to take video, press center part, video. Then it will record. Hello Champava tiger. Jim Corbett unna konnitangla. Nidan tappu pannita. What you did? You killed so many people. That's why Jim Corbett killed you. Stop video. Save it. That's all. Okay. Then go back. For all the lessons, firework night, dog, we can find out. Not now. Go later. So maybe for firework night, dog, D-O-G, dog. Tick. Where are you, dog? Firework night. So which dog will be suitable for our lesson? That dog we can take. Okay, this boy will be nice. Yeah, he is there. Now this dog, firework night. Poor boy. Okay, don't bark. Wait, I'll come and save you. Okay, Chalame? So he can, if they will do about turn. Yes. What do you want? Record means press the button. If you want record, video. You can, for example, if children wants to stay here means ask the children to stay here. Then it will be like there. If it is table, on the table they'll stand. Okay, now he'll be standing here. Like that only. Okay. If you want to take save means save. Otherwise, photo means photo. So in class what we can do? We can play and make the children stand, and we ourselves can do everything. And when instinct works, so that one is horse. Okay, go. Now we are going to horse. Search, lens button, search, horse. Like this also you can do. For example, this is a spider and the fly, 9th standard, no? So fly is there, ant, everybody. Where are you, spider? And some of them are pro version. Only when we pay money we can take it. Otherwise, free also we can take sometimes. Okay, I'll go for spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Binders together, got binders together, got cords that cannot be broken. Yeah, this is spider, okay? Hello, don't come here. Kitta vanda addi. Okay? Just click. Photo means photo. Okay. Save. Now you want to take video? Press the button, video. Hello, Chilandiya. Innadi spider and the fly ஏமாத்த பாத்தியா அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் எங்களை ஏமாத்த முடியாது. Okay, you can't cheat us and all. Go to your place, you lazy goose monkey. Okay, what all we have done, we can share also, we can save also. Alright, then back. So like this for all the lessons we have. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening, horse. Envious neighbor, dog. Fun they had, robot. Trees lesson. Cat and the painkiller, catless cat. A little cyclone, bear. Comet. Then seagull lesson. Ghost, ghost alone we'll see. Okay, so search. Lens, Ghost. Tick. Yeah, class, we did this ghost. Binders together, yeah, this ghost. Okay, ghost has come to my house. Click photo. Save means save. Click. Video means video. Oh, no ghost will come. Ghost got him. Okay, he will turn, rotate. You can do anything. Fine. Video. Oh, no ghost will come. Stop. Now we'll see bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Bird we are searching for. Ziggy Zaga, king of the Tonga. Okay, shall we see him? This boy will fly too much. He won't sit quietly at all. Let my light shine in the night time. Come, 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 let it shine all day through. Okay, fine, fine. Enough, enough. Don't fly so much. Ziggy Zaga, king of the Tonga. Stop. All right, all right. So click. So you want to take photo means click photo. Okay. Save means save. So same thing, you want to take picture. Video means go to video and it will start. Where are you flying, my pretty mate? Where are you flying, my pretty mate? Okay, enough, enough, enough. Okay, dear. Done. Go to video and it will start. Where are you flying, my pretty mate? Where are you flying, my... Okay, stop. Okay, hope all of you understood. You can enjoy in the class.